there some strain on this relationship between Ben Roethlisberger and offensive coordinator Todd Haley?
Well, Fran, I don't believe there is strain in their relationship. And perhaps Ben Roethlisberger was biting his words. I will say that I believe what he meant on the touchdown play to Heath Miller is that the play they called after he got the initial play and came out and saw the Cowboys defense, he just meant it wasn't a good call for that defense. And that happens all the time in football. And if you don't like the play, they have something, Fran, called audibles that you're allowed to call and check out of that play. And if you don't like that, they have something else called timeouts that you can call if you don't even have the right audible in your arsenal. I think some of the other comments, to me, Fran, are somewhat misguided, because the other side of that is that the Steelers, when they did run the no-huddle, that the coaches were not happy with the way they were performing in the no-huddle and the decisions that were being made in the no-huddle. And I will point out that the interception in overtime that ended the game for the Steelers was out of their no-huddle offense. So Ben is sitting there complaining about the use of the no-huddle. And also, Fran, too, they were starting two rookies on the offensive line, David DeCastro and Kelvin Beachum, which is another reason why they didn't want to use it a lot. So I think there needed to be some clarity to some of his comments to understand, there's two sides to this story.
So one of the other things that he said, quote, "I just don't think we called the right plays to get him the ball," and that was on a question asking why Heath Miller did not have a pass thrown his way in the second half. Let me ask you about the running game here with Chardonnay.